Dear friends, today we will be talking about date and time functions. Do you know any date time functions in Ring? Let us start today's lesson. First of all, let me define a clock. It is a unit of time in Ring. 1 second is equal to 1000 clocks. The clock starts when you start Ring program. It measures for how long the program has been running. To measure the number of clocks from start of the program, we use the clock command. C here means print. C clock means print number of clocks from the start of the program. You can also see how many clocks are there in 1 second. The command is clocks per second. This will print 1000 on the screen. Let me show you the below functions in Ring program. Here is the list of a few of the date and time functions. Open your Ring notepad, go to the Tools menu, select Ring REPL GUI or Console. I selected Console. Now hold Ctrl and rotate your mouse wheel to zoom in. Let me show you the first command, the clock command. Type C clock opening and then closing parenthesis. The output is 27,916. It means that this much clocks have been passed since the start of the program. As we know that 1000 clocks equals 1 second, therefore it has been almost 28 seconds since the program has started. You can use clocks per second command to see number of clocks in 1 second. The output it shows is 1000, means there are 1000 clocks in 1 second. If you want to see the current system time, use this command. To print today's date, use cdate command. This command will give you a detail about time and date in the form of a list. Sun is short of Sunday. Sunday is the weekday. The next two things show months. Next is the detail of date and time both. This one represents day of the month. This one shows hour in 24-hour format. And this one represents hours in 12-hour format. 177 shows day of the year. 6 means June, that is month of the year. 52 represents minutes. This is PM and it could be AM also. This shows seconds. 26 is the week of the year. 0 means Sunday, means day of the week. This shows date. This is time. 22 shows 2-digit year and this one is 4-digit year. This one shows the time zone. Let's print today's date once again. It's 26th of June 2022. Now let's add 3 days to the current date. Use this command. The date after 3 days will be 29th of June 2022. Let's now add 100 days to the current date. After 100 days, the date will be 4th of October 2022. Now let's add a full year, that is 365 days to the current date. The output shows that it will be the same day and month after 1 year. If you want to find the difference between two dates in terms of days, then use this command. Oh, error. Because I didn't enclose the date in inverted commas. Let's enclose the date in quotations marks. There is a zero difference because we are finding the difference between today's date and today's date. That is the same date. Find the difference between these two dates. There is a 4 days difference. So that was all for today. Thanks and Allah Nigahban.